Welcome to Learn It, a series of digital scrapbooking tutorials by Studio Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics. We're going to take a quick look at print templates in Lightroom that have been set up for the Happy Planner and the Erin Condren Planner. First thing you need to do is copy your print templates into the correct location. You'll see here on a Macintosh it's going to be in your user folder, in Library, Application Support, Adobe, Lightroom, Print Templates. And you want to copy the entire folder with a name, and this name is how they're going to show up in Lightroom. So you'll see here I have all the .lr template files inside this folder. For Windows users, that's going to be your C drive in your user folder. Instead of Application Support, it will say App Data, and then from there it should be the same, Adobe Lightroom Print Templates. So once you have those copied in there, go ahead and fire up Lightroom. In Lightroom, the first thing you want to do is select your photos that you want to use. You can either do that by selecting a folder of photos or creating a collection and dragging in the photos that you want to use. So with that collection or photo folder highlighted, you want to pop over to the Print module here. That will bring up all of your installed print templates. This may be closed. If the template browser is closed, just expand it and then scroll down until you find the Lightroom Planner stickers and open that folder. In here you'll see we have Erin Condren A4 size and letter size, and we have the Happy Planner A4 size and letter size. And then we have a couple different layouts within each one. So here in Erin Condren, we have just the boxes for the pages where you can put a photo in and glue it in. And then we have what I call the layout. And this is meant for filling in a complete page with a sidebar, a bottom bar, and then the 9 image boxes here. So you can knock all those out in one page. And then the same thing printing on letter. For Happy Planner, we have the larger boxes and the small squares, and then we have a combination where you can print out half and half to suit whatever you're doing. So from here, it's super easy. All you have to do is start dragging your images right into the boxes, right like that. So you can pick whatever images you want. If you want to move your image left to right, you can do that here. However, if you want to crop it, you have to come over to the Develop module, click the cropping tool, make whatever cropping adjustments you want here, and then go back to the print module where it will auto update. And let's just pick the smaller page here. So we can go ahead and fill this up with any of the images that we want. Once you have your images in place where you want them and have them cropped like you want, all you have to do is scroll down here to the bottom and click Print to File. Give your file a name and save it. If you'd rather print directly from Lightroom, all you have to do is change the print mode from a file to printing, and that is done right here where it says under Print Job. If you expand the Print Job dialog, where it says Print to, you want to change it from JPEG to printer, and then you can choose your printer and print directly to it. The benefit of printing it to a JPEG file is if you do use a cutting machine, you can then open that up in your Silhouette software, for example, and have it automatically print and cut those for you. There is a black border added to these images so that you can detect any borders around the light areas of the photo. If you do want to turn those off, that's easily done. You can come up here to Inner Stroke and uncheck it, and that will turn the borders off on the entire page. You still see a thin border here for the purpose of the template, but it will not print. So that is how you use the Lightroom Planner stickers for Erin Condren and Happy Planner. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.